Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what's up with y'all. It's your guy, GT Junior Grozy. So we're gonna show y'all what I get real quick. We get the 16 ounce. Yeah, 16 ounce. 16 ounce cups. Okay, those are 18, so those are going to be a little bit bigger than the other one. Yeah, great price, $240. Here are a few items that might help you on your pursuit. A hobby knife. Here is some perlite. That's what you use for drainage, and coco coir, it retains the moisture. So I put together just a small list of things that actually might help you if you want to do it in my method. There are many ways to complete your journey. This is what you end up with. You find the tops. Once you find the tops, then you go ahead and make your diagonal cuts. That's the first step that I do. Y'all see that, right? See how you can tell? Big part, big opening at the bottom, then like a little notch at the top. Y'all see? Yeah, that's how you can tell what is up. Okay, because these wasn't identified. They didn't pre-do them. But yeah, chickens know they smell it probably. All right, next step that I do is I scrape the sides. Okay, so the next step is to moisten this up. Now that I have it moist, taking this. I'm gonna stay right here, sorry. This is only for, I'm gonna clean it up after, baby. Alright. But this is what I do. You can dip it in there if you want to, but this is the way I'm doing it today. So now that I have the rooting hormone on there, okay, that's the soil right there, okay? Move, girls. Watch out. I stick my... No! She grabbed me. She grabbed me. Go on, girl. So, I made an indention, made a hole, and I made it so that when I stick this in, it doesn't rub the sides. Press it down just a little bit, then I cave the soil in real quick. Now that I got that, move, girl, move, watch out. Then I put the, today is 3/3/24. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put perlite on the top. Okay, now that I have that, I take the perlite, put it on top. Some people use vermiculite, sand. I'm just perlite guy, that's all. No rhyme or reason, this is me. Press that down some. You take your cup, sit it in your cup. What I like is I take one of these clay pebbles. I forgot the other name for it. Lecky or something, I forgot. Take that little ball, pebble, put it at the bottom, and there you go. It sits above. It don't sit at the bottom now. There's a little bit of gap right there where you can feed it hydroponic nutrients right here. Once the roots come out of the cup. The cup has holes in it so that it drains. Okay? So the cup has holes in it. I want to show out real quick. I'm looking at the variety of figs that I got from Fig USA, and I did pretty good. Let's see if these even have roots. So it looked like it still has roots. It just hasn't done anything yet. But yeah, it looks like just water and everything. And I just wanted everybody to see. Everybody has a different method. My method is, this is what I got. So, Fig USA. You see? I'm talking about all the kinds. I bought them all. See? So you can't tell me he ain't got that good. They got that good over there. I mean, everything is, we're gonna check this real quick. Okay, so out of my fig cutting, this one, let me see, it's still kind of sturdy in there. Okay, so this one still has a chance, not as good, but we're gonna go ahead and see what we could do. We might even chop it down to the base a little bit more. And as you see, there's a little bit of action. I just touched it, and you know, so yeah. So, buddy ain't. I mean, they ain't playing. Look at that germination rate, baby. Tell you, I appreciate you, Fig USA. So I'm in my garage, so the sound is not going to be the best quality, but you get what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the strawberry birthday. Okay, let me see if y'all can see. Okay, that's what this is. I started this 11/27/23. Today is 1 something. And as you see, look, can y'all see that there? This is called the double cup method, solo cup method, whatever you want to call it. This is what it is. You get to actually play peekaboo. Peekaboo is another name for it. So. Pour, and I have the little clay pebble in there. So yeah, that's what I do. That's gonna hydrate again, and I get to play peekaboo and see how everything's doing, so I know if something got watered or not. Now, there are easier ways to do it, and I know, but this is the method that I felt like I wanted to do. But all right, y'all, that's how I do my figs. Trust the process. I'm out. GT Jr. and I'm out.